Hello, everybody. If you want to recover the deleted photos and videos from your WhatsApp without any backup, and you are wondering how to do so today, we are going to guide you through the steps for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. We can start by checking out our device's file manager. So go to your default file manager and go to your internal storage. And once you go to your internal storage, you can go to Android and within there look out for the media. And from there, you can look out for the WhatsApp one. So once you find out WhatsApp, you can check for the WhatsApp images available here. You can look out for it. Sometimes the files remain here, and that should also probably work out for you. If not that, you can even check out your gallery application. You can open up your gallery and look out for the recently deleted folder to restore items. Apart from that, what we can do is we can ask the sender if you deleted it from your phone, but the sender still has it. You can ask them to send a photo or video to you again. Open up WhatsApp for that. And once you do so, you can go to the particular person who sent the image and just type in that you would like to go ahead and have the image or any media that you're trying to receive once again, and they should probably send you out. That is one of the easiest method available. Apart from that, you can even restore from WhatsApp backup. Not truly no backup, but different, but sometimes it may be on your device. So you can hold up WhatsApp and look out for install option and install it and reinstall it. And when you reinstall, when you are prompted, you will be selecting the option to restore. So you can look out for the restore option, usually on your main screen. So let me just show you. You can look out for the chat backup option, and usually by default it will ask you to restore. You just need to tap on restore to get the files back from backup. If the file is backed up, you should be receiving the deleted photos and videos from WhatsApp if you're looking to do so. And that's it, everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow up if you'd like to recover the deleted photos and videos. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.